want to start this video by saying this is not really a beginner tutorial. This is when you're like a bit more advanced because, it's not just a Gentoo thing. This is like software as well, like applying a patch. Like if you don't know what a patch is, then you're going to be kind of confused. But even if you are a beginner and you just want to know what Gentoo gives you, the capability that Gentoo gives you, this video will pretty much demonstrate that. Right now, I'm having a problem with my screencast. I'm on a WL Roots based compositor right now, Mango currently. And WL Roots portal has a issue right now where on the newer versions where it's very laggy on like a screen share, not just for me, but like also on the people that are seeing the screen share. Like even I can see the lag. It happens on OBS and Discord, so yeah, that's not good. But basically, I went to this is the issue for it on the GitHub. It lags on the new versions, basically. 0.8 and higher, I think is what it is. But then, because of Gentoo, because it's source-based, I can just pull there's a PR open right here, or you can scroll all the way down at the bottom, and there's a PR right here. You could just open the PR, and you make a patch. You actually don't even have to make it. You just go up here, and you can make a patch by just doing GitHub like this, .patch to the end of it. And it will give you the patch for the pull request. So this is very useful if you're on Gentoo. Like you can just get a patch for an entire pull request just like that. So you can either Control A or you can right click, select all, and then copy that. And then what we're gonna need to do is make a directory, and I'm gonna use -p so it makes the whole path in etc portage, and patches is gonna be the name of the folder or the directory. I don't think this is made by default on like a new install anymore. But you need to make sure you know the name of the package that you want to patch. So yeah, I know it's XDG desktop portal -WLR. So you need to make first the category, which is in front of the package name as a folder. So we're gonna make a folder GUI-libs, and then the name of the package, which needs to be a folder inside of that one. So XDG desktop portal -WLR. And then this is very important. If you want the patch to apply to every version of this package, you don't specify a version. But for me specifically, I want to do that. I want 0.8.1. So I'm gonna put .0.1. There we go. Oh, forgot. You gotta make you gotta run it as root. Okay, now that folder is made, we're gonna CD into it. I mean, you could do it many different ways, but I'm just gonna CD into it. Libs xdg like that. Now that we're into it, we need to make a file. I'm gonna use my text editor, and I'm just gonna call it fixlag.patch. And then inside of this file, I'm gonna take everything from this patch and paste it in here. Paste. Whoops, forgot. You gotta run it as root. You gotta make sure you're running everything as root because the portage directory is owned by root. So now that folder or that file is made right here, fixlag.patch, and I copied the patch from GitHub here on this PR. Now all you need to do is just re-emerge the program that you're applying the patch to. I'm going to use -1 for --1 shot. And there we go. The patch is applied. And well, in this case, I'm going to need to restart the portal to, get the actual new binary running because, once the binary is running, it's not going to, change. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty much that simple. It's not too complicated. It's just you need to understand like what a patch is, I guess. Like what is happening here. We're adding these lines and then there's a minus whenever you're removing lines. But yeah, you're just patching the source code of the portal here. And yeah, that's how you do it. And here I am in the game again. And yeah, as you can see in the same area with the patch applied, it's just night and day. But I also want to make you aware of like pulling in PRs that aren't completely finished. Like this PR for this portal fix is completely like hard-coded. So it's not the actual proper like fix for this, and they said in the PR that this is gonna get like revised. But pretty much anytime I'm not at 60 FPS or above 60 FPS, it's going to like lag again like it was before. So it's basically hard coded. This specific PR is hard coded to. Yep, there you go. See that? As soon as I walk into town and I'm not at 60 FPS, boom.
I'm here to help.
Yep, there it is again. And then let me go back out. And wow, I'm at 60, so it's perfectly smooth. But that's just to show you to be cautious of like the PRs. They might be like half-baked fixes or not the correct fix. So yeah, that's just a warning.